The next one in this video is BG loan. We have also create different kind of content, and BG loan have already been included in one or two of our videos, so you can see that we also include it in this video because we know that this app is actually legit and is giving out a loan to people that are very much interested in getting a loan. And this app also offer just 3 quick steps before you have access to quick loan under 1 minute, and your data is actually protected, so you don't have to worry about that. So also all you just need to do is just download the app, fill in the information they require, then they're gonna review your application process, and once everything met up to their requirement, they will disburse a loan directly to your bank account without any issue. This app is working BG loan on Google Play Store. Currently, I don't know, but they said they are actually working on their app for iPhone or on Apple App Store. So you can check it out if, of course, you are able to get the app on the Apple App Store. And if you scroll down right here, you're gonna see the the latest review right here is August 4, 2023, and this is a 5-star rating, and it has helped over 1,300 people that find this review helpful. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see another one from August 1, which is also 5-star rating, and the review have helped over 1,240 people so far. If you scroll down again, this is another review on the August 1, 2023, and it has helped over 1,500 people that are very much interested in also getting a loan from BG Loan, which is a legal cash loan in Nigeria, and that generated over 1 million download. The overall rating is 4.5, and total reviews so far is 25,400 reviews, which means there's a lot of people that have actually dropped a review on this particular app. But then you can check them out on Google Play Store and let us know if you are able to also borrow money from them.